Welcome to Think and Be Me. My name is Kat Levine and I'll be showing you how you can use the mood mat to help your child talk to you about how they feel. First of all, why is this important? In order to feel good and do well in life, we need to be able to manage our emotions. This comes with age and practice and learning the right skills. That's why you're unlikely to see an adult throwing a tantrum on the floor in the supermarket demanding a chocolate bar. The first step to managing emotions is being able to name our feelings. Often children will only use the words mad, sad, happy or worried. And using the mood mat helps them build their feeling vocabulary, increasing their emotional literacy. This has so many benefits. Scientific research shows just by naming how we feel, it helps us shrink down our big feelings. When we encourage children to say what else they're feeling as well as mad or sad, then we can start understanding why they're feeling that way. And once their big feeling has shrunk down, we can help them come up with solutions and strategies. For example, feeling mad and frustrated can indicate that there is something that they are struggling to master. Feeling sad and unsafe could open up conversations for what could be done to help them feel safe. Feeling overwhelmed can indicate that maybe there is too much going on for them at the moment and that they could do with some support. There are so many ways to use the mood mat, but here are some to get you started. You can keep it somewhere you're likely to have time to talk to them uninterrupted. So is that in the car on the way home, if there aren't any siblings in the car? Or maybe on the fridge in the kitchen, so everyone in the family can use it. Or perhaps next to their bed for that special connection time before they go to sleep. Start off by looking in the middle of the square and saying, how are you feeling today? And let them point to one of the primary emotions. Next, go to the side and ask what else are they feeling. As parents, we can jump into fix-it mode or try to change how they're feeling by belittling or downplaying it. Their feeling is their feeling, and it's not our job to fix it or tell them that they don't or shouldn't feel that way. The greatest gift you can give your child is not to fix their feelings or make them feel differently, but to give them the feeling that they are heard, that they are cared for, and that they are loved. If your child shares something hard or difficult, you could build out their language by saying, that must have been frustrating, or I can see that really upset you. Just your caring, empathetic attention can help shrink down their big feelings, leaving them with a deep sense that they are cared for and heard. It's a good idea to role model by sharing how we're feeling. This shows children that adults have feelings too, and it is okay to talk about them. While reading stories to children, have them guess how the characters in the story are feeling. The next step is helping them understand how their brain works and training them to think and be brave, to be calm and confident, instead of anxious, angry or sad. These are skills that every child needs to develop healthy thinking habits so that they can be strong and resilient no matter what comes their way in life. Find out more about my online Think and Be courses for kids, tweens and teens by visiting my website, thinkandbe.me.